Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2013 Suzuki GSX-R750. This mint condition sports bike has just a little under 8,800 miles on it, plus a few nice accessories. So let's take our walk around it, show it to you, and then we'll fire it up. These bikes are very highly prized. Tires are in great shape. They're a nice intermediate between the 600 and 1,000. This bike also comes with frame sliders, knee grips, and a tank pad. Also has stand spools on it, as well as a fender eliminator. You can tell by the back tire that's in great shape. That does not have a lot of miles on it. You can even see the coloring still in between in the tread. So not a lot of miles on the tires. And again, stand spools, tank pad. I think, what are they? Stomp grips. And again, the frame sliders. So, I mean, really a nice, clean, sharp 750. Alright. 8796 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This GSX-R 750 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.